Welcome to DJ TV.
E don red though. Mahmood and INEC don dey use hand do another mango for IREV portal to give Baba T 25% for Abuja.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update we will carry come for una like this.
Hey, now wow, INEC don begin run some kind things inside IREV portal. Based on how the whole matter dey go from tribunal, e don dey clear to them say this matter e fit no favour them So like this now, they don begin dey do one or two for inside this IREV portal just to do some kind things so that the thing go fit favour them in a way one kind. Then forget say the generation wey dey follow dey do this one so no be the one wey dey reason before. Everybody eye dey on their body like this my people, I no wan talk too much make I leave una, make una watch this video and hear the analysis of this whole matter. Make una watch.
We no go close our mouths whenever we see them they happen, we go talk them. And wetin we wan bring now come now wetin they happen for IREV. If una don't say throughout the last 2 weeks we just they bring evidence from IREV where we say INEC don certify, they carry come tribunal, then they accept them as evidence. But now wetin they happen be say INEC don't begin they block IREV, not be even to block, then they call them say access denied. Now the thing begin to worry me. I begin to think and once mood don't begin in action, in fraudulent actions again. How elections so we say just hold for 3 months ago, the results where we they see before we they compare them, in don't begin to block everybody to the see them. Well, you get one of our person where tweet about the thing, the way we take put them, make I for talk about it, take put them and producer if you put them for screen. The person distinguished field marshal, the General Oluchi. And I won't quote her tweet. She said, I would very much like to know what the tribunal judges will say about evidence tampering. When Dr. Levi Ozoku complained about INEC's delay tactics, they shouted him down and advised him to work together or file an application to punish INEC. Let's see how they will handle this issue when our legal team informs them about it. The main reason they blocked that Amazon S3 bucket is to avoid third-party analysts from seeing what they did on IREV. If they tell the judges that there was a glitch, no one will know the truth. So my people, I say make we bring this one. Many other things we will discuss here. And the person where they join me to discuss these things, NJ there with me for studio and Dr. Teba there for Zoom. Now, the other thing we will discuss now about this very forfeiture, because Supreme Court gets judgment about forfeiture where happen. Before we get to that, Angel, greet our people.
My fabulous and gorgeous meaning Nigerians, my obedient family, welcome back. Thank you for being with us. Just relax, because wahala plenty for INEC man's head. INEC chairman, he never see anything. He choke. He go choke until he die. He never see anything. He's messing with the wrong generation. I better relax. We get on her. Relax. We did it.
Okay, thank you, Angel. Dr. Etel, starting with this thing where they happen for IREV, I get another of our person, Onyeka from Canada, that are IT experts, as we get matters where concern IREV and what they call Amazon S3 buckets. Me, I don't know what that one mean, but I know say then they tamper with evidence because as we don't carry IREV, those documents go court, now evidence them be. So whether they know what make we do the comparison where we won't do, I don't know. But as Onyeka did, may I first reach Onyeka, make you tell us what in Amazon S3 bucket mean. Onyeka, are you there?
I'm here. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, you please speak up. Let's tell us what they mean by Amazon S3 bucket.
Well, Amazon S3 bucket is a storage device, and on that day, I think what they did was that he hosted the election. That's where all the results were supposed to go in. And in this Amazon S3 bucket, when INEC paid for it for them to host the presidential election, the Amazon S3 bucket was supposed to host it, make sure that this information are not tampered by the public, except them that can change any information there. So when any information enter in that S3 bucket, it can be changed. You can't mutilate it. So as I put it to you right now, S3 bucket is a storage device that can store all the uploaded results from the polling unit when they are being uploaded. So that is what the S3 bucket is done. And it has a security that can encrypt it, that will make it impossible for unknown person, anyone who doesn't have access to it, to tamper with those results. So that is what the S3 bucket does.
Okay. So now, the other thing when I want to ask you, if somebody go IREV now, you could tell and say no access, blocked, and all that, even from the front end. So what did that one mean? Because people know they view the results again. Before we they view them and we they bring them out, and after we don't submit them as evidence for court, if you go there, not be only say asset denied, before now asset denied, but now then they put them, they say this thing is blocked. Our producer, I bet make you show that, and then they see them. So different places, if you look the screen now, you go see the place, the word and everything, the date even is created. They will say all access disabled. This object, all access disabled. What did that one mean? As you be IT expert, tell us what in INEC done the plan again. They no one make we they see the result again. I didn't know because this site will do our money, our taxpayers' money. Now it's telling us all access disabled. All access disabled. Tell us what it means.
He removed the access so that people will not have access to it. So when it means that all access is disabled, the functionality mode and access cannot be determined. So he removed the access to that IREV so that people cannot have access to go and check the information they are checking. He removed this either by switching on the server or by changing the password, so that when he changed it, nobody can have access to it. So that is what he has done so far now.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hey, my people, all these people, they know the game not be small. Now wow. Anyway, my people, the update will carry come for now like this be this. So make una drop una comment and visit this to me, and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ